Hello everybody, I'm Asnal Jaman Biswas. Today I'd like to discuss about JavaScript event. So today I'd like to discuss about onLoad and onSubmit event. onLoad event means when the page is loaded, then you like to do something. So onLoad means when the page is loaded, and onSubmit means when you are submitting a form. So I like to discuss about these two events today with example. So let us start. Script language is JavaScript, then script is end, right? So let us write here body, then here if you like right here onLoad. When the page is loaded, then we like to display an alert box. Suppose we like to display some message here, so we can write here anything, whatever like the pages are loaded or something like that. Okay, now this is body and this is end of body. Let us see the output. So let us first save it. Okay, now save it and go to output. Look, when the page is loaded, then we are getting some message. The message, the page is loaded, right? So when the page is loaded, we are getting this message, right? Now question is your onSubmit. Okay, fine, let us make a form. Okay, fine, and this is the form end. Now let us write down something, label. Okay, label, and your name, something like we wrote here. And then we'll make a text box. So input type equal to text and give it a name. Suppose its name, what should we give? Suppose name is also name. Okay, so this is the end, right? Now let us give a break and make a submit button. Okay, input type equal to submit. Okay, and write down something on the submit button. What should we write? We write, suppose, submit here. Okay, now button. Okay, now what was our event on submit? When the form is submitted, then suppose this function will be called. Okay, so now what we'll do here, let us define this function. So we'll write down function xyz. Okay, this is the starting of function and this is the end of function. So what we will do here, inside the document there is a form. Okay, you can give here, you can use form name, or you can even use this form 0, means the first form. First form means this one is the first form. Here we have a text box and its name is name, so we can copy it and paste it, and value means the input given by the user inside this text box. So let us keep the input inside this variable. Suppose name is input. Now what we like to do, we like to display in alert box. What we like to display? Hi. I like to display this string, suppose hi, and then a symbol. After that I would like to display whatever inside this variable, right? So look, here we created this event on submit. When the form is submitted, then this function will be called, and if this function is called, then these two lines will be executed. So if these two lines executed, then what the output we will get on alert box high, and input given by the user inside the text box. So let us go to output and let us check the output. Okay, save it. Okay, go to here. Look, when the page is loaded, we are getting this. Now if we write down here, suppose we write here gems, click on submit. Look, the page is loaded, but then we are getting nothing, so obviously we did some mistake. Yes, I load here form, it will be forms. So let us go to output now. The page is loaded. Now write down something here, gems. Okay, now click. Now we are getting high gems. Okay, that means when we are submitting the button, then this XYZ function is executed. That's why we are getting the alert message along with the input given by the user inside the text box. So this is your onLoad and onSubmit event. So today, after this, in my next class, I will discuss more about JavaScript. For today, goodbye everybody. Goodbye.